Welcome back to the Pabla Kitchen. Today we're making a freshly baked Valentine's Day treat, beetroot coconut macaroons. Beets are beautifully red and perfect for coloring cakes and frosting. That's why we're using beet juice to give a vibrant color to these coconut macaroons. These treats are naturally pink and super easy to make. Let's get started. We're using desiccated coconut, which is dry in texture and will give a bit of crisp to your macaroons. Go ahead and add your condensed milk, vanilla, and beetroot puree. This is what's going to give your macaroons a beautiful pink color. Add a spoon or two of flour to achieve this consistency. Today we're using a heart-shaped cookie cutter to make Valentine-themed macaroons, but feel free to make them in whatever shape you like. Bake your macaroons at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now let's use beet juice to make a ruby pink chocolate frosting. We're starting with melted white chocolate and adding 1 spoonful of beet juice at a time to get this perfect ruby color. Make sure your melted chocolate and beet juice are both warm before combining. Once your macaroons have cooled down, you can start frosting. Add some variety by using melted dark chocolate for that decadent flavor. Your perfectly pink heart-shaped macaroons are ready to enjoy. Now let's switch things up. We're using frozen grated coconut for a chewy and soft coconut macaroon. Frozen coconut is moist in texture, so we're adding a bit of flour to get our desired consistency. Once again, let's flavor our coconut macaroons with condensed milk and vanilla. Combine the mixture and feel free to add more flour if needed to achieve this consistency. Spoon your coconut macaroons into a greased mini muffin tin or cookie sheet. Let's put these in the oven and bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Pull out your macaroons once they get this beautiful golden color and allow them to completely cool before frosting. Whether you like them soft and chewy or a little on the crispy side, these beetroot coconut macaroons are perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.